So, in this video, we will talk about a topic in which there is a four-story building, and on each floor, right, there are two flats, and how you have to arrange eight persons flats accordingly, right? Now, what is the question? The situation is, listen very carefully, that eight persons are living in two different flats, namely flat A and flat B, for four-story building. Lowermost floor is numbered 1, and the floor immediately above it is numbered 2, and then 3, and the topmost floor is numbered 4, and the persons are not necessarily in the living in the same order. So basically this is fixed that this is 1 2 3 4, there are four floors. Okay, now there are four floors. Now we will arrange accordingly. Okay, now the point is, this is given to us, flat A is to the west of flat B. So if we will understand the direction reference, east, west, north, and south. So definitely the flat A is to the west of flat B. This is given to us. All right, done. Next point we have is, the next point is, let's say we have the question basically will start from here. Analyze it properly, right? Because it's not a formula based question. Here we will read the information and we will put all the information in a sequence, right? As per the question. Okay. Now B lives in the northeast flat of E. Northeast is this. So definitely if E is here, then B is here. Okay. So B lives in the northeast flat of E. And B and E are not living on adjacent floors. Definitely there is some floor between B and E. This is the point. It can be 1, it can be 2, right? Okay. Now there are two floors between C and D. The next information we have is there are two floors between C and D. Either this situation can be like this or can be like this. Because this is not given to us, C is above or D is above. Okay. In this line, actually, there are two floors between C and D, and they are not living in the same flat. Okay. They are not living in the same flat. Means if the C is living in A, D is living in the B, or vice versa. If this is living in the B, A, this is living in the B. Okay. And same here. Okay. Now, A and D neither live in the same flat nor on the same floor. Okay, so please remember, A and D neither live in the same flat, means the flat number is also different, and not on the even the same floor. Next line. A lives in the northwest flat of G. Northwest is this. Okay. Now A lives in the northwest flat of G. Okay. A lives in the northwest flat of G. This is the situation. Or either you can put in this way. A is here, G is here. A lives in the northwest flat of G. Okay. And H lives two floors below F. H lives two floor below F. Basically, H situation is like this. H lives two floors below F. And F lives either on the same floor as A or G. Means F will live either with A or G. Not simultaneously with both, not possible. Either with A or either with G, and it is given to you C lives above D, means this situation is rejected. Okay. Now please understand how to arrange all the information, and are different flats, right? Means if C is here, D is here, or if D is in the living in the B, then C will be live in the flat A. This is the situation basically. Okay. Now this is clear to us. A and G will be in north. This is the northwest, A and G, right? So in this question, multiple situation, either this one, this one, this one. Okay. Okay. And for the EB, only we have only one situation we have for the EB. Why? Because northeast is this only, right? So again, only one, but there should be at least one between E and B. This is rejected, means this situation is also rejected. Only this left, right? Now try to understand very carefully. Now, now we will arrange AGBE accordingly. Now we can see that only one situation is here we have that will justify A and G location. Means if A is here, then G is here. Done. Okay. And one more point is here. BE will be for the B and E, you will go like this. Either with the B is here, because because one situation is very obvious in front of us. If E is here, E is here, then B is here, which is not possible. One flat at least should be there, right? If E is here, B should be here. Okay, this is possible. Done. But, but there is one problem again. The problem is, before moving with this point, I should consider this point first. This one, H is below F, and there is a one gap. Okay, and H lives two floors below F. Means if F is here, then H should be here. But F either will leave A or G. Means again one more good point we have. F will go either with A or G. Means either with A or G. G not possible because between F and H at least one person. So F is here, H is here. Okay. F is there, H is here. Done. Now we can see that only one position left for this. This is E, this is B. Very well arranged. And we can see that this is the final diagram. And if you look at the question, in which floor and flat does G live? So for the G, if you will pick one, this is second floor and the B flat. Means option number E. And that is answer. And finally, the solved puzzle is in front of us. Okay, so maybe a various difficulty scenario you will see, but this is the way that you can use and just do more and more practice about this type of questions. Then you will get to know how to approach the questions of the puzzle.